सभी भाइयों को राम राम भाई। आज की जो टॉप न्यूज है वो इस प्रकार है भाई। सेंसेक्स निफ्टी में राइज, डोमेस्टिक्स मार्केट्स गेन सपोर्टेड बाय द बैंकिंग एंड आईटी स्टॉक, रुपया स्ट्रेंथ, रुपया gained against the USA dollar on continued foreign inflow. Crude oil surge, international crude oil price rose, impacting the oil and gas companies. IT sector sign, leading the IT stocks gained on the strong export demanded outlook. Banking and stock rally, both the private and public sector bank witnessed the heavy buying. FPI inflow continue. Foreign portfolio investor kept investing in Indian market. Metal on the rise. Metal company gained on the hope of the strong demand from the China. PSU stock rally. Government disinvestment plan posted the PSU companies. Gold and silver gain. The precious metal seg buying the sport and commodity market. IPO market hit up the strong investor interesting as a multiple companies prepared for the listings. ये आज की भाई टॉप न्यूज़ थी। सभी भाइयों को राम राम भाई।